watching a video. It was a TEDx talk with a monk, and basically he was explaining what clarity is, and he said it in those words, and it was, think about your journey as walking up a mountain, and while you walk up the mountain, you will encounter challenges or distractions. So, for example, the examples that he gives, like your friend are at the bar and then you stop at the bar instead of carrying on your journey, or there's too many rocks and you don't like rocks, the weather's too cold. So anyways, there's so many distractions that you don't go up the mountain. And then the ones that manage to go up the mountain, then they get to enjoy the view. So they have a clarity about what's going on, and that allows them to make decisions with that clarity. So very often we have to make decisions, and maybe life is too busy, you don't really have time to think about it, and what you're going to see, sometimes the consequences of those decisions come back and back you back. So what I wanted to know is what's preventing you today from having clarity. What's preventing you to climb that mountain? Comment below, let me know, and see you next time.